have some lunch. Doesn't that look good? I have a wrap here and then sauteed mushrooms. Here, Moo Moo. Got your little bowl. Good girl. Oops, I forgot to mention this is a smoked cheddar Swiss and kielbasa wrap. So we're just gonna sit here, have some delicious lunch, and enjoy this great view. Sauteed mushrooms. Ooh. Hey, birdie, birdie. Think he's hungry too. It's such a beautiful day today.
Just because I have a Medusa picture of you doesn't mean that you gotta get me.
Okay, girl, I'll get you. I'll get you, my pretty.
You, my little pretty.
You gotta say, and your little doggy too.
You what?
You forgot, and your little doggy too.
Oh, I'll get that little doggy too.
All right, Moo Moo, inside. Good girl. It's supposed to get really hot today, 91 degrees. So I'm probably gonna have to wait till it cools down to do anything. I'm probably just gonna get some editing done. And then once it cools off later in the day, I'm also supposed to help Scotty learn his drone because they haven't flown yet and they want to get some drone videos. So yeah, I'm gonna help him later on today and hopefully find something else to do. Some of the clouds have moved in, which has made it a bit cooler, thankfully. It's so hot today. I really like my bike rack. It's been working out really well. I did get a lot of movement when I first got on the road, but that happens because I just installed it. I had to work out the kinks. What I did is I bungeed it and also put a cinch strap that really tightened it up. And it's not moving at all anymore. It's working really well. I also use this Velcro strap right here to attach the front tire to the bumper so it doesn't move around because this was wobbling around also in the wind. And it's working really good right now. Nice and secure.
Hello?
Do you want to try to fly your drone now?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I was hearing that they're putting a head tax.
So Scotty's going to get his drone ready and I'm going to help him fly it and get him comfortable with flying the drone. Okay, well this definitely didn't work out. We couldn't get the DJI to connect to the phone. We got the passcode and everything and it worked. It just said that the internet connection was not good. So it said it would connect as soon as the internet connection was better. So it's been a while since I've taken my bike out for a ride. I think I'm gonna go ahead and unhook it and take it for a long bike ride. To mention that I bought Moo Moo a new pet carrier. The one that I have on there now is just a metal basket and it has little holes and her nails sometimes get caught in that. That's why I usually put a blanket in there for her. But still, I think that one is a little bit uncomfortable. This one has a larger width and it's a better carrier. It's made from fabric. So yeah, I think she'll like that much better. Look, isn't that cute? So I'm gonna go ahead and install this before we go for our ride, because I believe I am gonna bring Moo Moo with me. Right, Moo Moo? Yes. Wanna go for a bike ride? Do you wanna go for a bike ride? Huh? Do you? That's a look of uncertainty. This bag has a mesh zipping lid, which I like, because if your dog has the tendency to jump out, they can't. Moo Moo doesn't do that, so I don't have to worry about it, but it's still nice to have. The bag is definitely much bigger. Love it. Here is the carrying strap. I'm not sure what these are. I'm sure I'll find out when I read the directions. And this is the mounting bracket. Old basket off, that was kind of complicated. It hooks onto the handlebars this way, and then there's a Velcro strap hooked to that bar. But yeah, see, this is where her nails would get caught, is in these little holes here. So I'm sure that was uncomfortable. I had to put a blanket in there so that wouldn't happen, and it still happened even with the blanket. So this system should be much better and more comfortable for her. Okay, time to install the new one. Here's the bracket. Just gonna attach it to the handlebars up here. Yay! I think it goes this way. Yep. Nothing is never easy. I have to actually move this over here, because this doesn't have to be centered, but the basket does. So this is taking the basket spot. And I didn't have the right Allen wrench, so Scotty's trying to find...
I know I have other ones. This one's gonna be too big.
Okay.
The funny thing is that, see the one.
So the ones even out of the other set.
Oh, I think like one's metric and one's.
Oh.
See.
Maybe we'll just go for a quick lap instead of a long bike ride. She's like, whatever. Since this one is so easy to get on and off, I went ahead and put that on there just in case.
Hey, sweetheart, Jerry made you some dinner.
Oh, thanks. What is that? Steak, cauliflower, ooh, and greens.
Yes.
Oh my God, it looks so yummy. Thank y'all.
I hope it's yummy. I know it's yummy. Enjoy, sweetheart.
Thank you. Thanks, Terry. Mmm, yummy. Look, it's steaming still. That looks so good. Oh my God, I am so full. That was delicious. But anyways, I'm gonna go for a quick bike ride. I've got the basket on. It really does suck when you don't have the proper tools. I don't know what I did with my Allen wrenches. Anyways, the next time I get to a Walmart, I guess I'll just buy a new set. So yeah, let's go for a bike ride. Run, run, Moo Moo, run! She's faster than I am. You're doing so good, Moo Moo. She's like a cheetah. I'm glad my dog is very athletic and I walk her a lot and she can keep up. Where's the Moo Moo? Where's the Moo Moo? Stop. Good girl. Alright, wait. Yes. We have to wait and make sure it's clear. Nope, stay. Alright, go, go, go. Good girl. Come on. Up in the grass, up, up. Good girl, get in the grass. So when vehicles go by, I just tell her to stay, and we stop, and I'm right next to her that way. I don't have to worry about cars trying to run over her. I think she got a good workout, so I put her in the basket, and we're going to continue on. Wind feels good, doesn't it? Yes. It's a pretty cute neighborhood. So at the end of Avenue C, or the beginning, I guess it depends on where you start or end, there is a pretty big park. There's a playground over there, some people playing soccer over there. But I totally forgot her dang blankie, so I'm going to turn around. It doesn't take us long to get back here. I'm just going to turn around so I can go grab that so she'll be more comfortable. Right, Moo Moo? Now that's definitely much better. She got her blankie in there. Alright, we're headed back to that park. I just want to check it out and see what's there. That's one loud train. No unauthorized vehicles allowed in park. It doesn't say what kind of vehicles. I guess they just don't allow you to drive your vehicle in here. There's not much here though. There is, like I said, some people playing. Oh, it's not soccer, it's actually volleyball. Volleyball! There wasn't much in that park at all, but I see a train. That must be the loud one we've been hearing. Yep, there it is. Well, that's the end of it right there. Bye, train. Loudness. That's where we are. Hereford. Definitely seems to be the industrial side of town. We're gonna head back towards base camp. There's a lot of old rundown buildings and businesses, but they seem to be closed down. Closed. I hear another train coming. So one block over there are older buildings as well, but these actually have businesses that are open. Oh cool, and there's apartments on the second story right there. Right. So I think this bike is gonna be awesome for exploring new towns that I go to. I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna head back that way and see how fast the bike really can go, full throttle and also pedaling. Well, the manual was right. It does get up to top speed. It was a little over 19 miles an hour when I was using the throttle on level 9, which is the highest. Sorry. After that, I cut off the engine and pedaled back to get some exercise. But when I was pedaling on 9, my top speed, I actually got over 20. So I was like, ooh. Yeah, so it's definitely a cool little bike to have. I really like it. So my chair, this bracket, the bolt had bent when I'd gotten it and it was always loose. I tried to tighten it up, but it just eventually ended up breaking. So I'm gonna have to get a new bolt for that. And Moo Moo got to run back too, so she get more exercise. She was really happy about it until she hit the grass and then in the park, and she had to stop and sniff around for a second. It's been a long, hot day, but it's been an awesome one, and the night here is pretty cool. That breeze feels wonderful. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound, everybody. I love you. Mwah.